Now next, in activity 4, second bit, so subtraction, borrowing, subtraction, borrowing, subtraction. See here. So all these questions, so with borrowing questions given, so then how to do, see here. So here first we have to minus this ones place, here 2 and 8. 2 and 8, 2 is a smaller number and 8 is a bigger number. Smaller minus bigger is not possible. If smaller and bigger is not possible, then what to do? We have to take borrow. We have to take borrow from the next place. So here, from here we have to take borrow. Here 7 tens are there. Out of these 7 tens we have to take 1 10. If you take 1 10 from 7 tens, here 6 tens left. 6 tens left. Then 6 tens if you take borrow, then 1 10 we are taking borrow. So out of this 7 tens we are taking 1 10. 1 10 borrow means 10 ones. 10 plus 2, total you will get 12. Simply here you will increase by 10, here you will decrease by 1. In tens you will decrease by 1 and in ones you will increase by 10. Okay. Then 12 minus 8, then how to do minus? 8 means from 9 to 12 you have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers? 4. It means here 4. Then 6 minus 4, here 4 is there. 4 means from 5 to 6 we have to count. 5, 6. How many fingers? 2 fingers. So then we have to write here 2. 24. Next question, 1 minus 8. 1 is a smaller number and 8 is a bigger number. Smaller minus bigger is not possible. Then we have to take borrow from the next place. If you take borrow from the next, it will decrease by 1. 6 will decrease by 1, that is 5. And here in ones place it is increased by 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Now minus 11 minus 8 means from 9 to 11 we have to count. 9, 10, 11. 3 fingers means 3 answer. Then 5 minus 3 means from 4 to 5 we have to count. 4, 5, 2 fingers. It means answer is 2, 23. 61 minus 38 is 23. The next one, ones place, 2 and 7 we have to minus. 2 is a smaller number, 7 is a bigger number. Smaller and bigger we cannot minus, then we have to take borrow from tens. Means here it will decrease by 1 10, here you will increase by 10, that is 10 plus 2, 12. Then 12 minus 7 is how much? Here 7 is there, it means from 8 to 12 you have to count. 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. How many fingers? 5 fingers. So here answer is 5. Next, 4 minus 3 means after 3 very next is 4 means 1. 1 finger. So here we have to write 1. Then after that here 1 minus 6 we cannot minus, so from smaller to bigger. So we have to take borrow from the next place. So when we are taking borrow from the next place, here you will decrease by 1. 4 will get 3 and here you will increase by 10 means you will get 11 here. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 6 means from 7 to 11 you have to count. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Totally 5. Means 5 fingers means 5 answer. Then 3 minus 2. 2 and 3 are serial numbers. So whenever serial numbers are there, difference is 1. Then the next 4 minus 7. Smaller minus bigger is not possible. Then you take borrow from the next. Here it will decrease by 1 means 5 decrease by 1 means 4. Here it will increase by 10. Already 4 is there. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 minus 7 means, so from 8 to 14 you have to count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? 7 fingers. It means here answer is 7. 4 minus 3. 3 and 4 are serial number, so the difference is 1. Then here next question, 5 minus 8, we cannot minus this, smaller minus bigger. Take borrow from the next place. 4 is decreased by 1 means 3. Here it will increase by 10 means 15. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 minus 8. So 8 means from 9 to 15 we have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Total 7 fingers. Here we have to take 7. Then 3 minus 3, same number minus same number. So answer is 0. 3 fingers minus 3 fingers, nothing left, 0. Okay. Same number minus same number is 0. In the next, here 32 minus 18, here 2 minus 8 we have to do. So smaller minus bigger is not possible, we have to take borrow. If you take borrow from here, so you will decrease by 1 here in tens place, and in ones place you increase by 10, that is 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 8 means from 9 to 12 you have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, it is 4. 2 and 1 are the serial numbers, so the difference is 1 and 2. Then here 8 minus 9 is not possible, so take borrow from the next, means tens place. Here tens place is decreased by 1 and ones place increased by 10, you will get 18. 18 minus 9 means from 10 to 18 you have to count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Total here 9 fingers, means the answer is 9. 6 minus 2 means 3 to 6 we have to count. 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 fingers means difference is 4. Therefore, we have to write in tens column. Next in next ones place 6 and 9 is there. 6 minus 9 is not possible. So, we have to take borrow from the next place. 110 we have to take borrow means here you will decrease by 110, that is 4. Here you will increase by 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 6 will get 16. 16 minus 9 means from 10 to 16 we have to count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total 7 fingers. So, the difference is 7. 4 minus 3. 3 and 4 are the serial numbers. So, the difference always 1 in serial numbers. Now, 3 and 8, 53 and 28, 3 and 8 is not possible, smaller minus bigger. So, we have to take borrow from the next place, means tens place. So, we are taking 110 borrow means here 110 means 1 value decreases. Here you will decrease by 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 minus 8 means from 9 to 13 you have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It is 5. 4 minus 2 means 3 to 4 we have to count. 3, 4. 2 fingers means the difference is 2. Then next 55 minus 27. So, here 5 minus 7 we cannot minus this one, smaller minus bigger, take borrow from tens. You take 110 borrow, so it means here you will decrease by 1, 110 means 4 tens, and here you increase by 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 5 will get 15. 15 minus 7 means 8 to 15 you have to count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 8. It is 8. After that 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 means 3 to 4 we have to count. 3, 4, it is 2. Then after that 67 and 29. So, then 7 minus 9 we have to make minus. So, 7 minus 9 is not possible. So, we have to take borrow from here. So, here it will decrease by 1. Here it will increase by 10 in ones place. 7 minus 9, from 10 to 17 we have to count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Here it is 8. 5 minus 2 means 3 to 5 we have to count. 3, 4, 5. It is 3. 38. The difference is 38. Now, here 93 minus 57. So, 3 minus 7 is not possible to take. So, we have to take borrow from here, it will decrease by 1, here it will increase by 10. 13 minus 7 means 8 to 13 you have to count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It is 6. The difference is 6. 8 minus 5 means from 6 to 8 you have to count. 6, 7, 8, 3. The difference is 3. 36. Now 45 minus 28, 5 minus 8 is not possible. Now you take borrow from here, it will decrease by 1, 10, and here you will increase by 10, 15. 5 will get 15. 15 minus 8, from 9 to 15 you have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It is 7. 3 minus 2 is 1. Serial numbers, the difference 1. 84 minus 58, 4 minus 8 is not possible. So, borrow from the next 110 you take borrow. So, it will decrease by 110 and here you will increase by 10. 4 will get 14. 14 minus 8 means from 9 to 14 you have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 6. The difference is 6. 7 minus 5 means 6 to 7 you have to count. 6, 7. The difference is 2. Here 74 minus 58. 74 minus 58. Take borrow from the next means 110 you take borrow. See here it will get 6 tens. Here you will get 14 ones. 14 minus 8. Here also 14 minus 8. Here also 14 minus 8. No. So it means the same thing 6. 6 minus 5 the serial numbers. The difference is 1. Then 2 minus 4. 32 minus 14. It means 2 minus 4 is not possible. So take borrow from here. You will get 110 means 2 left. Here 12. 12 minus 4 means from 5 to 12 you have to count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is 8. 12 minus 4 is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. Serial numbers difference is 1. 43 minus 18. 3 minus 8 is not possible. Then you take borrow from 110 tens. 110 you take borrow. Then you left 3 tens and here you will get 13. 13 minus 8 means 9 to 13 you have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 means 5. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 means 2 to 3 you have to count. 2, 3. So it means difference is 2. 25. So in this way we have to take borrow and we have to subtract. More 6 questions were left. That 6 similar questions you have to do as your home assignment. Okay. Now students, in this same activity 4, so what problems? So first one example, a fruit seller had 60 apples. So in this total apples, 48 apples he sold. Then how many apples were left? Left he is asking. Left means, so we have to subtract. We have to subtract from total apples. How many he sold, that we have to subtract. Then whatever is the answer, so that many apples left. That many apples left. First here solution. Total apples. Total apples. How many? 60. Then apples sold. How many apples he sold? 48. Then how many left he is asking. How many left means we have to minus. We have to make minus. Then how to first ones place we have to minus. 0 minus 8. So smaller number minus bigger number we cannot minus. We have to take 110 borrow from the next place. So out of 6 tens, if you take 110 borrow, so you will left 5 tens. Here you will get 10 tens, 10 plus 0, 10. Now 10 minus 8 means 9 to 10 you have to count. 9, 10, it is 2. 5 minus 4, these are the serial numbers, the difference is 1. How many apples left? 12 apples. Apples left. How many? 12 apples left. Okay. Now the next question. Ritu has 75 marbles. her brother had 83 marbles. How many more marbles did her brother have? So Ritu 75 marbles she is having, and her brother he is having 83 marbles. Then he is asking how many more marbles did her brother have? How many more marbles her brother is having? So what we have to do? So we have to subtract. So from his brother's marble to her marbles. So then you will get how many marbles more her brother is having. Her brother is having. First steps. Marbles her brother had 83 marbles. Marbles Ritu had. How many marbles he is having? 75 man. So Ritu has marbles. Ritu has how many? 75 marbles. We have to write 75 like this. In ones place we have to write ones place number and tens in tens. Then minus here ones place 3 minus 5. Smaller minus bigger is not possible. We have to take borrow from the next place. Here 8 tens are there. If you take 1 10 borrow, then you left 7 tens. Here 10 plus 3 13 you will get. 13 minus 5 means from 6 to 13 you have to count. 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 8. 7 minus 7 same number minus same number 0. How many marbles her brother having more than her? 8 marbles. So 8 marbles, 8 marbles, 8 more marbles, 8 more marbles. So her brother have 8 more marbles her brother have. So like this we have to do subtraction and we have to find how many more marbles. Then in a class there are 42 students. In this 18 of them are girls. Then how many are boys? Then what we have to do? So in total students we have to subtract number of girls. Then you will get number of boys. Number of boys. First total students. Total students. How many students are there? 42. Girls. How many girls? Girls 18. We have to write 18 like this. So in ones place the ones value we have to write, in tens place the tens value we have to write, and take borrow from the next place. So here because 2 minus 8 is not possible, smaller minus bigger. If you take 1 10 borrow, here you will get 3 tens, here you will get 12 ones. 12 minus 8 means 9 to 12 you have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, it is 4. 3 minus 1 means 2 to 3 we have to count. 2, 3, it means 2, the difference is 2. 24. So these are boys. How many boys are there in the class? 24 boys were there in the class. Okay. Ravi saved rupees 72. From that he spent 38 rupees. So total his savings 72 rupees. So in this 72 rupees he spent 38 rupees. Then how much money is left with him? How much money left with him? Then what we have to do? First in the total what's his saving, first we have to see. 72. In his saving he spent 38 rupees. From his saving, so we have to subtract how much money he spent. Then after that whatever is the left, that is this money left after spending. So we have to subtract. Savings, first we have to write savings. Savings 72 rupees. Then amount spent. Amount 38 rupees. Then how much amount left he is asking, means we have to subtract. So first we have to subtract this right places. So that is in ones place, 2 minus 8 we cannot minus, take borrow, 1 borrow we have to take. So here 6 tenths, so 1 tenths we have to take borrow, 6 tenths left. Then here it will increase by 10, that is 10 plus 2 12. 12 minus 8 means from 9 to 12 we have to count, 9, 10, 11, 12, it means 4. 6 minus 3, 3 is there, means 4 to 6 we have to count, 4, 5, 6, 3, the difference is 3. 34, amount left, how much amount left? 34 rupees. Here amount left, rupees 34, 34 rupees left. After spent 38 rupees in 72, 34 rupees left, 34 rupees left. Okay. Now the next, what problem? Sunita bought 40 sweets. How many? 40 sweets. She distributed 28 of them. So in that she distributed 28 to her friends. Then how many sweets are left? Then after distributing, means after giving 28 sweets to her friends, then how many sweets left in 48 sweets, in 40 sweets. Then total sweets, how many sweets were there? Total sweets, 40 sweets. Then how many distributed? So 28 distributed. How many sweets? 28. Then after distributing 28 sweets, then how many left? Minus. Here the right place means right digits we have to minus. So from right to left we have to minus. So here 0 minus 8 we cannot minus from smaller to bigger. So take borrow from here. So it will decrease by 1, 1 10, and here it will increase by 10 ones. 0 plus 10, 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1 serial number, so the difference is 1. So then, so sweets left, sweets left, 18, 12 sweets were left. How many sweets were left? 12 sweets were left. In 40 sweets, if she distributed 28 sweets to her friends, then 12 sweets left, 12 sweets left. Okay. Now next, fifth, Mallika read 39 pages from her Hindi textbook. In her Hindi textbook, 39 pages he read. So how many pages are there in Hindi textbook? 60 pages. In 60 pages, 39 pages she read. So then she read how many pages? 39 pages. Then how many pages still to be read? Still to be read means we have to subtract. How? From total pages, how many pages she read? So that many pages we have to subtract. Then you will get how many more pages left to read. Okay. Then total pages in our Hindi textbook. How many? 60 pages. Pages read. How many? 39 pages. Then, so what we have to do? So we have to subtract. We have to subtract from right to left, from right digits to left. So 0 minus 9 we cannot minus. So we have to take borrow from here. If you take 110 borrow, so 5 tenths we left. Here we will increase by 10 ones. 10 plus 0, 10. Now 10 minus 9, these are the serial consecutive numbers, the difference is 1. 5 minus 3 means 4 to 5 we have to count. 4, 5 means difference is 2. 21. How many pages left? 21 pages left. Pages left. How many pages left? 21 pages left. 21 pages left. Next. The sixth question, Gopal scored 72 marks in mathematics. John scored 56 marks. Who scored more? Who scored more in Gopal and John, 72 and 56. 72 more means Gopal scored more. Gopal scored more. Then by how much? By how much means we have to subtract. From Gopal marks to John's marks we have to subtract. Then you will get how much more marks he scored. Okay. First question answer, Gopal scored more. The first answer is over. Second answer, by how much he is asking. So first Gopal score 72. Next, John score how much? 56. Then we have to subtract how much more. From right to left we have to minus. 2 minus 6 we cannot minus, so take borrow from the next place. Here 6, here you will get 12. 12 minus 6 means from 7 to 12 you have to count. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The difference is 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. So consecutive serial numbers, so difference is 1. 16. So who scored? So Gopal scored 16 marks more than John. So Gopal scored 16 marks more than John. Okay. So these word problems, first you have to understand the word problem, then so what to do you decide and write your steps and the method you have to follow. Okay. Now students, next in lab activity, so here one picture is given. According to that picture, so we have to make colors. First we have to subtract. So some numerals are given, so we have to subtract, and according to the difference we have to apply the color. Green color, yellow color and pink color and blue color, grey color and brown color is given. So if your answer is 1 and 4, in the textbook it is given, if your answer is 1 and 4, you have to apply green color. So if 3, your answer, if the difference is 3, then you apply yellow color. If your answer is 9, then you apply pink color. If your answer is 5, if your difference is 5, then you apply blue color. If your answer is 2 and 6, answer means your difference is 2 and 6, so you apply 2 or 6, you apply grey color. So if your answer is 7 or 8, you apply brown color. So like this you have to apply and so do your activity. First one here, so what he has given, see in your textbook, so in page number 64, here 10 minus 5, in the corner 10 minus 5 is there. 10 minus 5 means 5, 10 minus 5 is 5, 10 minus 5 is 5. So 5 means which color we have to apply? 5, see here, blue color we have to apply. Here we have to apply blue color. So incomplete, here we have to apply blue color. So here draw with blue color. Okay, apply complete blue color. Okay, apply blue color. So we have to apply here blue color. Why? 10 minus 5 is 5. If the difference is 5, then we have to apply blue color. Next, so next after that, 9 minus 4, 9 minus 4, 9 minus 4 is 5, the difference is 5, 9 minus 4. If the difference is 5, again we have to apply blue color. Here you have to apply again blue color in this. So here also we have to apply blue color. Why? Here also the difference is 5, difference is 5. If the difference is 5, then we have to apply blue color. Then 10 minus 7, 10 minus 7 next. Here next part 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 means which color here? Yellow color. 10 minus 5, 10 minus 7 is 3 means yellow color we have to apply. Here we have to apply yellow color. Here like this we have to apply. Yellow color we have to apply in this column. In this part, so we have to apply yellow color. Okay. Then after that 8 minus 6, 8 minus 6 is how much? 8 minus 6 is 2, 2 means grey color we have to apply. So 7 minus 5, 2, 8 minus 6 is 2, here we have to apply grey color. So 7 minus 5, here we have to apply grey color. 5 minus 2, 3, here we have to apply. So 3 means we have to apply yellow color here. 3 means yellow color. Here we have to apply yellow color. In the similar way, so you have to subtract all these columns, and according to your difference which color you want to apply, that color you have to apply, then you will get your picture. Okay. So in the remaining portion you have to subtract and find your answer. According to your answer, what color you are going to apply, here it is given in your page. So all the colors here he has given according to your answer, that color you have to apply. Okay. Okay students.